Hey, it's Bailey Bible here with Industrial Power Truck and Equipment, and today we're talking about our service offerings. We are a full overhaul and rebuild facility, including warranty for Allison, Cummins, Autocar, Hino, and Isuzu. That means we can do anything warranty, whether it be a recall, campaign, or anything else. Now, if it's in the shop, we can do PMs, alignments, brake jobs, or any type of repair, whether it be an overhaul, R&R, or anything else. We can also work on any diesel equipment that is not under warranty, and we can do that at any of our 3 conveniently located DFW locations. They're going to be in Fort Worth, Lewisville, and McKinney, Texas, and we have 107 service bays. We work Monday to Saturday from 7:30 to 5. We would love to work on your equipment. There's a phone number below. Please feel free to give us a call to get more information, or you can visit us online at iptruck.com. There's also a form you can fill out to schedule your service today. Any class 3 through 8, we want it. See you soon.